Hey everyone, I'm Elara. Let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally, just like Emma Watson? Not fast, not complicated, but elegant, calm, and powerful. Because when Emma Watson speaks, people listen. Not because she uses big words, but because she speaks with clarity, purpose, and confidence. So today, I'm going to show you how Emma Watson speaks, how she became fluent, what challenges she faced, and how you can speak like her. Let's begin with her story. Emma Watson was born in Paris and raised in England. English was part of her environment from childhood, but that does not mean her journey was easy. She became famous very young, playing Hermione in Harry Potter. Imagine being a child and speaking in front of cameras, millions of people watching you. That pressure builds awareness, and awareness builds control over language. But here's something important. Emma didn't just rely on acting. She studied. She went to Brown University and studied English literature. Now think about that. She didn't just speak English, she deeply understood it. That's why when she speaks, her sentences are structured, clear, and meaningful. Now let's analyze her speaking style. First, clarity. Emma Watson speaks slowly and clearly. She doesn't rush. Listen to how she speaks in interviews. Every word is clean. She gives space between thoughts. Now you try this. Say, I want to improve my English. But don't rush. Say it slowly. I want to improve my English. Good. That's exactly what she does. Second, calm confidence. Emma Watson is not loud like Tony Robbins. She is calm but confident. Her power is quiet. When she speaks at the United Nations, she doesn't shout, but still people listen carefully. Why? Because she believes in her words. Now say this. I believe in myself. Say it calmly. I believe in myself. Feel that confidence. Third, simple but meaningful vocabulary. Emma Watson doesn't use unnecessary difficult words. She uses words that are easy but meaningful. Example, if not me, who? If not now, when? Simple words, but powerful message. Now you try. I will start today. Again, I will start today. Good. Emma Watson grew up in an English-speaking environment, but fluency is not just about environment. It's about exposure, practice, and awareness. She was constantly reading scripts, memorizing dialogues, speaking in front of people. This repeated exposure made her comfortable, and later, her education improved her structure and vocabulary. She read books, analyzed language, and learned how to express ideas clearly. Now think about this. Fluency is not magic. It is practice plus understanding plus confidence. Now let's talk about obstacles. Yes, even Emma Watson faced challenges. As a child actor, she had pressure to speak perfectly. Cameras, interviews, public speaking, that creates fear. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged. But instead of avoiding speaking, she faced it again and again. And that is the key lesson. Fluency comes when you stop being afraid. Now imagine, if she was afraid to speak, she would never improve. Same for you. Now let's move to the most important part. How can you speak like Emma Watson? Let me give you simple steps. Step 1, slow down. Don't speak fast. Clarity is more important than speed. Practice this. I am learning English every day. Slowly. I am learning English every day. Good. Step 2, think before speaking. Emma Watson organizes her thoughts. She doesn't speak randomly. Before you speak, take 1 second and think. Then speak clearly. Step 3, read and listen. She improved through books and speeches, so you should also read simple English, listen to good speakers. This builds your language naturally. Step 4, speak daily. Even if you speak alone, speak. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Example, today I woke up early. I practiced English, and I feel good. Simple, but effective. Step 5, build confidence slowly. Confidence doesn't come in one day. It grows step by step. Now let's do a short practice together. Repeat after me. I speak clearly. I speak calmly. I am improving every day. I am confident. Again, I speak clearly. I speak calmly. I am improving every day. I am confident. Very good. Now let's do a small speaking exercise. Listen carefully. I don't need perfect English. I need clear and confident English. I will practice every day, and I will improve. Now you repeat. I don't need perfect English. Good. I need clear and confident English. Nice. I will practice every day. Good. And I will improve. Excellent. Now say everything together slowly. Perfect. You see, this is how improvement happens, not by watching, but by speaking. Emma Watson didn't become confident in one day. She practiced, she learned, she improved. And you can do the same. Just stay consistent. Now, before we end, if you really want to improve your English, don't skip practice. Speak daily, even for 5 minutes, because small practice every day creates big results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and comment below, I will speak English confidently.